Hi guys, it's Miss Belknap. I am here to talk to you about plants today. I know that we have talked about plants already. We've talked about the needs of plants, what they need to survive. We have talked about the parts of a plant. And now today we're going to talk about how young plants resemble or look like adult plants. I have some plants to share with you today. I have this one. Now this one is a young plant. It's not very big. It has some cool leaves on it. You see those leaves? They're pointy, but they're not flat. All these are little buds. They're going to be flowers one day. They're going to bloom with all the little buds. So this is a young plant. This is the adult plant. So this is the young one and this is the adult one. Do they both have the same kind of leaves on them? Those little pointy ones? Let's see. They sure do. And this one has one little flower. This one has a lot, right? And it's much heavier. But it looks like its parent, right? Next I have this. This one is a young plant. It's not very big yet, and it doesn't have many flowers on it. Let's take a look at these leaves. Those leaves are flat leaves, and they have some lines on the leaves, kind of bigger leaves, and one flower that's trying to bloom right there. This is the adult version of that plant. So this one is taller, right? And it has more flowers. Look at those leaves. Are they the same? Let's see, I'll bring that little young one back. They do have the same kind of leaves. And look at the difference in size. So you have the young one and the adult one. Now I have a tomato plant. You wouldn't really be able to tell that this is a tomato plant. It doesn't have any tomatoes on it yet because it's young. Let's look at the leaves on this one. Ooh, that has like pointy leaves. Let's see. See the points on those leaves? Has a nice strong stem so that it can hold tomatoes up later. But this one is kind of big compared to the other plants, but it is young. It's young for a tomato plant. I have an adult tomato plant right here, and it's practically a tree now. It's going to be a big vine. So do you see those tomatoes on there? It is already starting to produce the tomatoes. Look at the leaves. See the leaf? It has the points on it. So it's much bigger. This is the adult tomato plant. Now I wanted to show you a tree that I have in my yard, and it is a what? What kind of tree is this? You see on there? An orange tree. I wanted to show you how this orange tree started. So I'm going to peel this orange. It's juicy. So what are we going to find inside in these parts of the orange besides the juice? Seeds, right? Those things we always have to spit out. Now let me find a seed. An orange seed. Messy. Okay, so here is a seed from an orange. This is the baby. So we talked about those other plants. We had young ones and adult ones. Well, this is what the baby of a plant is. It's this seed. This seed is what makes that tree. It starts off as a seed, and then it sprouts, and it grows a stem, and then it's a small plant, and then eventually it will be a big tree, just from one little seed. I have some activities for you guys to do today. There are some videos to watch, and I have some cards for you to sort. I wanted to show you what these cards look like and see if we could match one of them together. I have, let's see, some adult plants and some young plants. So here is my young plant. There's the young one. Now you tell me which one of these adult plants goes with my baby, or young plant. This is the young one. These are the adults. Is it a cactus? Oh, if you said sunflower, you were right. So this is the young plant and these are the adult plants for a sunflower. You're going to do some things like that this week with your parents, and look outside. Try to find some plants that are young and some that are adults, and see if you can find some things that they have in common, some things that are the same about them. I hope you have a really good week and hope you enjoy the activities. Hope to see you really soon. Bye.